Hi guys, today I'm back with another bracelet making video. I have seen everybody make those leather cord with button bracelets. So I wanted to make one of those too. However, I don't have any buttons or leather cord in my stash. So I'm gonna use this nylon cord that I have. I have cut about 2.5 feet for length, and I'm gonna use this bead as a button, see if that'll work, and then these beads as our main bracelet beads. So let's get started and see if this will work. I'm gonna string my cord through my button bead. I might have to trim this if it doesn't go through. There we are. And then I'm gonna drop that all the way to the center of the cord. So right there. And then I want to make a knot in the center here. Will this work? We'll see. We will see. I like to try new things, different things, and just kind of twist things up a little bit. So this will be a nice try to see if it's not all the way centered, but I think it'll still work. Oh, now we can just pull it to make it center. There we go. Okay. Okay, that way. Is it still? Okay, hopefully this will work. So, and then here onwards, I'm going to start stringing I'm going to string one bead. I hope it goes through. Okay. When you're picking your beads, just make sure that the holes are big enough to have two nylon cords to go through it. And then make a knot here. And make sure the knot stays close to the bead as much as possible. There we go. And I also want to make sure that the knot is big enough so that it doesn't go through the hole. Okay. And then we're gonna string another bead. Make another knot. And just test and make sure that it does not go through the knot. Okay, so I like how the yellow knots gives a little accent to the beads. So I'm gonna keep going until I have about 8 or 7 inches length, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Guys, I just wanted to come back and show you here. The hole on this particular bead was too big that the knot would slide through. So I'm gonna make an extra knot here so that the knot is big enough not for the bead to stay in place. So there we go. Okay. Oh, you know what? We're gonna have to fix that. Do I need to undo this, come back here and tie extra knot, and then slide this bead again and make 2 knots on this side, so I'll do that off camera and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, we got to the end. I made 2 knots right here and right here because this bead right here had a really big hole. So other than that, the rest of them only had regular smaller size holes, so I didn't need to make any extra knots. What I made a mistake here is I did not have long enough cord. I only cut 2.5 feet. It will fit me. It's not, see, if you look at this, it doesn't go all the way up to 7 inches, but I know it will fit my wrist. You know, a small size wrist, it will definitely fit. But if you want to make it a little adjustable where you have 2 hole options, this is not going to work. You're going to need at least 3 feet long cord. Okay, so now for the end, how we're going to finish this is we want to make a knot about here, big enough for this bead to go through. So I'm just going to quickly measure how big this bead is, and so I need the knot to be right here, okay? So I'm gonna measure it again because it wasn't straight. So right here. So we're gonna tie a knot that ends up in that spot. You can mark it too if you want. My cords are really tiny here, so I'm gonna have to fiddle around with them a little bit to get it at the right spot. But if you use a marker to mark where you want it to be, so that you can be precise. Come on, little guy. There, we made it. Okay. Okay. So we want it. Go. So let's try it on, and you can dab a little bit of glue here so that the knot stays in place. And you know, this bracelet only needs cord and your choice of beads. We got our bracelet. All right guys, that's it for today. Hope you have a good day. Bye.